discourtesy that hour, for a worthy man can lightly stray. And the wicked, to my mind's array, fail not when they do wrongful act, for by duty's very pack do the wicked work their bane, as the prize do good deeds plain. It does not please me of the valiant crew when I hear them speak ill of the bad, for they think their own failing to eschew by covering with their evil words so sad. And God gives them to glean and add, so they have wine and wheat in store, and have gold and silver more, yet nothing good they'll ever plan, rather are worthless the more they have in span. God, how can a rich man bear with cheer to welcome folk and make fair show? And how can he from giving keep him clear when well he can maintain it so? God placed in him his will, I know, for he gave not generously to those who give abundantly, and little to those who little do. Then let each man his state pursue. But now men improve and deck them fine in robes and all their garniture, and in many a bearing that seems divine, and they wish to hold themselves too pure. But in giving or in serving sure I see no man make betterment. Then what will you do, rich men, for you are sent to die one day, whatever befall. Take heed, the time deceive you not at all. Count of comminges without fierce fence, one well might come to you for aid, for the surname is a warranty's defense to you as one who understands its aid. By the poor man should be richly paid, for as they who believe, believing well in the sacrament, find safety spell. So comminges must be worth such weight as to save those who in him trust their state. Emperor, you have worth, valiance and valor, and wisdom abundant, and since you know towards such store, in you I gild my song the more. Lady Giza, I repent me not to praise you, for it pleases my thought, but of your men little or much I speak no praise, unless they better touch